Welcome guys, this is Infinix X687B model. Apply heat with the heat gun on the back cover. Remember, do not overheat. With blade, make space between back cover and body. With the help of X-ray film, remove the back cover as showing in this video. Remove all the screws from body. Remove barcode from the battery. Remove tape and free to fingerprint flex from the battery. Now remove inner body. Be careful while removing the inner body. Fingerprint scanner is connected with the inner body. Remove screws from camera protection cover. Now remove camera protection cover. Remove fingerprint scanner flex connector from the board. Remove protection tape. Remove barcode from the battery. Insert gasoline on the X-ray film and remove the battery as showing in the video. Do not damage the flexes, so be careful while using X-ray film. Flexes are under the battery. Install battery in the body. Connect battery connector to the main board. Put protection tape on the battery. Connect fingerprint scanner flex connector to the main board. Install camera protection cover. Put back screws on the camera protection cover. Install inner body. Insert SIM tray. Put back screws in the body. Apply gum on the place of back cover on the body. Now install back cover of the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.